previously in part 1, Mike from Everyday BBQ and David from Adrenaline Barbecue Company came out for the day where we cooked up some lunch on the new Slow N Sear Kamado. We made pork chops, corn and potatoes, served up with some homebrew too. If you haven't seen it yet, go check it out later, but for now, stick around. We're making hot wings and pizza for dinner. Okay, lunch is done. In our belly?
Very full.
All done?
Full. Yeah.
It's almost, it almost pains me to start this next step in the process because we got lots of food to digest.
You know,
but
we will eventually be hungry again. Yeah,
we will eventually, and we already committed. We bought all the ingredients below us here, and we are making deep dish pizza on the SNS Kamado today.
Yeah.
Right? Mm-hmm. So meal number 2, dinner. I have a deep dish pizza, I have a thin crust pizza. We're going to get this thing cranked up for baking temperatures, and we're going to put this thing through its paces, show you how versatile this thing is for not just doing what we did before for the slow and sear searing. We're going to use this thing again to bake a couple pizzas.
Some wings.
And some wings. I forgot about the wings. I got wings to bring out too.
Wings for the kicker.
Wings for the kickers.
Waiting forever to try your homemade Tabasco.
Yes. Mike, if you haven't seen my video a while back, I did a how to make your own fermented Tabasco sauce. Mike's been wanting to get his hands on this, and now he does.
Today's the day.
So we're going to use that as sort of one of the ingredients in the hot wing sauce. So we're looking forward. Got some cheese to shred, some sauce to put on, some dough to roll out. And yeah, that's some cheese. Yeah,
it's my job. I'm the shredder.
Yeah, so Dave's gonna shred the cheese.
I can shred cheese.
And we're ready to start this process. Although we're not hungry yet, by the time I think we're done with all this and get the food on and smell that pizza bacon under, I think we're gonna be really hungry.
Oh, I'm sure we'll be.
I'll be ready.
All right,
we'll be ready.
All right, let's do it.
Let's do it.
All right, we're gonna check on the status of the. Oh, look at that! Not only does the pizza look great, the wings are looking pretty good too.
Oh wow!
Look at that!
Man, those are looking crispy.
Oh yeah, and we got some sauce to toss them in eventually too.
Let me temp those back.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
While you're looking at the pizza.
Yeah, sure.
Oh yeah, these wings are done.
Okay.
Yeah, they're in the 190s, 200s. So I'm gonna take them off.
Okay. How's that smell, Mike?
Beautiful.
It smells great.
Oh, I can't wait to eat this.
right, long day of cooking, folks, and the grand finale is in front of us. Food. Deep dish pizza, hot wings, and I opened a bottle of my 2015 Cab Sauv wine.
And this is good stuff, y'all. Good stuff.
So-
I love it.
Amazed at how good the wine is. The food's been great.
So far, we haven't tested this one.
I mean, it
Yeah,
smells
we'll see.
good enough to me.
So this is awesome. I'm excited. Long day to get to this point, and I'm starting to drool. I didn't think I could fit any more food in my belly from that last meal we had just a few hours ago, but I'll tell you, I'm ready to try.
We put that Kamado through a workout today.
Yeah, we did.
Sure
We did a little bit of everything.
All right.
Let's try it.
Let's try it out.
Let's go.
Yeah.
We doing pizza or wing first?
I'm gonna try a wing, I think.
Yeah, let's do that.
All right, wing.
Oh, yeah.
Man, that's good. I gotta see if there's any houses for sale close to you, so I could be your new neighbor.
Won't you be? Won't you be? Please, won't you be my
I like
neighbor?
that heat from your hot sauce. I like that heat. I mean, it's hot, but it's a good flavor at the same time.
Yeah, that's why I like. That's why I take the time. I take my entire summer. I grow the peppers. I ferment them, and it's worth the effort. I think. I mean, it's a nice little personal touch. A little extra heat, not too much. Outstanding.
Yeah, those are really good.
All right.
It's amazing. I mean, everything that we've had today just about has been homemade by you.
Yeah.
You know, I mean, and it's just been, what a great day, man.
Yeah.
All this food is just outstanding.
Yeah,
All right.
Larry, can't thank you enough for having us over. This is awesome.
I'm glad to have you guys.
Yeah.
See if I can talk him out of a bottle of wine and maybe some of that Tabasco sauce.
Oh, me
before I
too.
eat it.
Oh wait, I can't take it home. I can't.
Oh, yeah, you're-
I got a beer mug for you though.
Oh, okay.
You can be at home.
We'll have to
So,
settle.
now the pizza. Let's see. Wow. Those Anaheim peppers I put in there have a little bit of mild heat to them too.
Well, and I get that spinach and garlic right away.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, and it just tastes so good with this sauce. Wow.
So, bullseye.
Yeah.
Wings, pizza, wine.
So
Trifecta.
okay, so the sauce is really good, and remind me what the secret is for the tomatoes.
The tomatoes, you want San Marzanos.
Yeah.
It's a species of tomato. I grow them in my garden. I cheated for this batch because I ate them all. I did it.
Not the ones we're eating
no,
now.
No, I do
It's
it.
not like the pre-chewing thing, right?
No.
Okay,
Not
good. Okay, good. Okay.
No, not like a bird regurgitating its food, right? For its babies. No, I actually would grow them in my garden, and I would can them. I did a video on how to do all that like a couple of years ago, but what I got here was just, I cheated. I bought a can of San Marzanos. That's the secret. You want good tomato base for pastas, but especially pizzas, San Marzanos.
Right. So then, when you're looking for a can of them, is there a specific source or country or anything like that you're looking for, or?
No, just the San Marzanos. It's just a species of plant or tomato. That's all.
All right.
Yeah.
And there's a significant difference. I mean, I can tell you just from the smell and the taste.
Yeah,
not
it's
even-
really good.
Yeah,
It's really good.
it's really good.
All right. Well, cheers again, guys.
Cheers, boys.
Cheers.
Thanks for coming over.
Thank
Yeah.
you for hosting us.